Good morning. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I'm going to answer some of the frequently asked questions that students and adults have about driver's education. Let's go ahead and get into it. The first question is, how old does a student have to be to enroll in Segment 1? You have to be 14 years, 8 months by the first day of the class. So parents, caregivers, check your son and daughter's birth certificate to make sure they meet the requirements. Next, what is Segment 1? Segment 1 consists of 24 hours of classroom instruction by a certified state instructor, me, 6 hours of driving, 4 hours of observation. If you are 18, you're required to get a TIP from the Secretary of State. That is a temporary instruction permit, 18 and over. It does vary from state to state how many hours are needed in Segment 1. What materials needed for students to bring on the first day? You need to have a photocopy of their birth certificate. You need to have a Segment 1 permission slip if it hasn't already been downloaded. You need to have a notebook, pen, and highlighters. Let's continue on to Segment 2. What are some of the requirements students need to have to enroll in Segment 2? You must possess your Level 1 learner's permit for 3 months and at least have 30 days of driving behind the wheel, or 2 of the 30 hours must be at night. Next, what is Segment 2? Segment 2 consists of a total of 6 hours of class. It's over 3 weeks. The course will discuss defensive driving, drunk driving, road rage, the gift of life, and it will prepare students for the road test. If you're under 18 years old, you're required to do the Segment 2 to be eligible for your road test. Let's continue. What materials are needed to bring in for Segment 2? You need to have your learner's permit from Level 1. You need to have your driving log. It's either a digital driving log or it's on paper, and that's given at Secretary of State. You need to have your Segment 2 permission slip. You need to have pencil, pen, and a notebook. What if I took Segment 1 at a different driving school? That's fine. Everyone is eligible to take Segment 2 no matter where you took it at, as long as you have and meet the requirements. Let's talk about the road test. I get a lot of questions about that. Students are eligible to take the road test once they have their Level 1 learner's permit and have completed Segment 2. Have to have a total of 50 hours and 10 hours at night with a parent or guardian, someone over 21. Do you offer car rental? Car rentals are available at various locations, but that's for an additional fee. Can I take my road test before I turn 16? Yes, as long as you've met all the requirements and you can take the road test prior to your 16th birthday. However, you're not eligible to visit the Secretary of State until you turn 16. So remember that. What documents do I need to bring to the road test? Let's go ahead and take a look at these. You need to bring your Level 1 permit. If you're 18, you need to bring your TIP. You need to have a current vehicle registration. It can't have any mechanical defects, a cracked windshield, a broken tail light, a non-functioning headlight. Your blinkers and turn signals need to work. There are other various things that you'll need, and we'll talk about that. Can I practice the road test? No, many sites do not offer teens or adults to practice the road test. So you need to be prepared and practice prior to getting there. What if the parent or guardian of a minor can't accompany them? The parent or guardian or the designated family member, someone has to bring you to the road test. How long does driver's process training take? It's about 7 months. It varies because of COVID. Making Plum says Secretary of State, and there is a shortage of driver's ed instructors. So parents, caregivers, be patient. What if school is canceled during inclement weather? In the event that the school is closed, driver's education is also closed. You have to contact your instructor. Driver's education class will be canceled if it's at the school. Please attend the next scheduled session. You have to reach out to your instructor. What type of vehicles do we use? Our vehicles are mid-sized, four-door, American-made vehicles that receive regular maintenance. These vehicles are equipped with dual brake and dual mirrors. Do you offer adult training classes? The answer is yes, we do. The sessions are held for those who are over 18, who have their TIP, and there's home pickup and drop-off. If this was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Thank you so much. Drive safe.